Hey everyone, you made it. You've officially conquered the art of creating downloadable PDF catalogs for your WooCommerce store. Give yourselves a pat on the back. You deserve it. We've covered a lot of ground, from installation and template wizardry to that oh-so-satisfying download button. Remember wrestling with CSS? Good times. Now your customers can browse your products offline, on the go, or even print out your catalog for some good old-fashioned window shopping. Think of the trees you're saving, or not if they print it. But hey, choices, right? Let's do a quick recap. We installed the plugin, customized our template, added that all-important download button, and styled the catalog to match your brand's dazzling personality. But the learning doesn't stop here. Explore the plugin's advanced features. Play around with different templates. See what magical creations you can conjure up. You might even discover hidden features that even I don't know about. Whispers. Don't tell the developers. Check out the links below for further resources, documentation, and support. And if you're feeling extra generous, leave a comment below sharing your catalog creations. We'd love to see them. So go forth and spread the joy of downloadable catalogs. Your customers will thank you. Your printer might not, but your conversion rates definitely will. Don't forget to subscribe for more WooCommerce wizardry and e-commerce enchantments. Until next time, happy selling.